This is a reason for your unit to run extremely high head pressure. Don't just reach your arm across the thing just because it got heat coming out. And water coming out the drain line. That's the only thing that could be wrong with it. So watch this. It's 100 plus degrees out here. You're pulling that outside air. You ain't gonna cool too good. So I'm gonna kill that and fix that. The outdoor air damper was pretty much wide open, so I took that off and I drilled it shut with the screw. And I'm finna allow 100% return there instead of 100 degree plus or 90 or whatever pulling in across the coil, and I allow it in the heat. So that's the fix. There you have it. They got straight return there coming instead of all that outside air. Compressor 2 contactor not pulling in. As you see, I got a voltage drop from this yellow wire right now, and I believe that's going through the low pressure switch. See, got 27 volts on each one of them. But when I go to this one, 13, I got a voltage drop. So I gotta locate that wire. I guarantee you it's right there. I'll get back to it. I got a voltage drop going into the red wire from the high pressure switch, so I gotta check the high pressure switch next. I'm isolating. I have my 26 volts back for the call. The problem was I unplugged 24 volts from the economizer module, so it won't have all that racket noise, but that dropped my 24 volts down to like 18. So now I just have a call for both compressors to come on now. Got 24 volts, so I'm gonna try it again. Both compressors are pulled in now. Circuit 1 and circuit 2.